Hello to the lovely artists of the Ladybird Designer family. Today, we are going to design the pattern for this incredibly dreamy and elegant formal gown. A model featuring a delicate V neckline, flared puff sleeves, and a long skirt with a magnificent drape, making it a perfect choice for shining at special events. In this tutorial, I will teach you all the golden pattern making tips to achieve this perfect fit and how to draft the waist cuts to create this hourglass silhouette. You can draft this attractive model in midi or maxi length according to your preference for a completely professional result. So, if you're ready to learn the pattern for one of the chicest models of the season, get your paper and scissors ready because we're about to begin. At this stage, we will transfer the side dart to the underbust dart. This transfer allows for better control over the garment's shaping. Please note that in this specific model, the underbust dart must ultimately be sewn to achieve a waist fit and bust contour that perfectly matches the original design. Now, it's time to add the desired length to the pattern. As usual, I have listed all the specific model length measurements in the description box below this video. Be sure to check them to ensure your garment's length is perfectly standard before you start cutting the paper. To calculate and add the skirt length, I first subtract the bodice length from shoulder to waist from the total garment length. I then mark this resulting measurement downwards from the waistline. This is the most accurate way to ensure the garment length is perfectly proportional to your personal measurements. Now, to easily add the length to the other pattern pieces, I measure the distance from the hip line to the hemline and write it down. I then simply add this same amount to all the remaining pieces of both the front and back patterns. This ensures the total garment length is perfectly consistent and aligned across all sections. We need to cut this triangular piece godette 4 times from the fabric. We will require 2 pieces for the front and 2 pieces for the back of the garment to ensure the skirt's fullness and drape are perfectly symmetrical and beautiful throughout. At this stage, to eliminate the back dart, I remove 2 centimeters of the dart allowance from the waistline, after which the dart is discarded. Please note that for perfect alignment, you must also reduce the skirt section's dart by 1 centimeter. This ensures that the waistlines of both the bodice and the skirt are perfectly matched and synchronized. At this stage, I will mark the exact position for the zipper placement on the pattern. Correctly determining this location, especially for formal gowns, is crucial for a perfect fit and ease of wearing. Typically, the best placement for this model would be the center back seam or the side seam. As usual, the first step for the sleeve is checking the garment's armhole and the sleeve cap measurements. My garment's armhole is 47 centimeters and the sleeve cap measurement is 49 centimeters. According to the formula, I must add 3 centimeters of ease to the armhole 47, which equals 50 centimeters. Comparing this to my 49 centimeter sleeve cap, I am 1 centimeter short. Therefore, I will add this 1 centimeter to the sleeve sides to make the measurements perfectly accurate and balanced. To create fullness and a flared shape at the bottom edge, we add 7 to 10 centimeters to each side of the sleeve cuff. This added width ensures the cuff has a more beautiful drape and perfectly matches the overall style of this formal gown. For this garment, just like the main pattern, we must cut all the pattern pieces once more from the lining fabric. Please note that this should be done for every single pattern piece to ensure the interior of the garment is perfectly finished and achieves a more professional fit. I hope you enjoyed the pattern making tutorial for this beautiful formal gown. By carefully following these tips, I am sure you will achieve a flawless and professional result. If you have any questions at any stage of the pattern drafting, feel free to ask me in the comments. I would love to help you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your sewing enthusiast friends. To see more upcoming tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel. I look forward to seeing your beautiful creations. Until the next tutorial, goodbye.